If you meticulously eat your vitamins A, C, and D, you're completely missing the most powerful nutrients for longevity and vitality. There's a hidden world of bioactive compounds that science is just beginning to understand. Are you neglecting the true keys to protecting your very cells from aging? Welcome to Levitas. Before we uncover these hidden gems, I'd love to know, what's one food you believe is incredibly healthy but gets almost no attention? Share your underrated superfood in the comments below, and if you're ready to explore the cutting edge of nutrition, please hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and reach more curious minds. Longevity nutrient number 1. Often dubbed the longevity vitamin, ergothioneine, or ergo, is an extraordinary amino acid that your body cannot produce on its own. It must be obtained from your diet. What makes ergo so special is that humans have a highly specific transporter protein for it, which suggests it plays a critical and unique physiological role. Found in the highest concentrations in specific types of mushrooms like shiitake, oyster, and king oyster, ergothioneine is a potent antioxidant that specializes in protecting the mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells, from oxidative damage. A groundbreaking 2021 study in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences suggested that declining ergo levels in the blood are correlated with an increased risk of cardiometabolic diseases and age-related frailty. This powerful compound accumulates in tissues that are under high levels of oxidative stress, such as the liver, kidneys, and red blood cells, acting as a cellular shield. Unlike many other antioxidants, ergothioneine is not rapidly metabolized and can persist in the body for weeks, offering long-lasting protection against the cellular decay that underpins the aging process. Longevity. Nutrient number 2. Taurine is one of the most abundant amino acids in your body, yet it's often overlooked in nutritional discussions unless you're looking at an energy drink label. However, this conditionally essential nutrient is a powerhouse for health, particularly for your brain, heart, and muscles. Taurine plays a crucial role in maintaining proper hydration and electrolyte balance in your cells, forming bile salts for digestion and regulating the central nervous system. It also functions as a major antioxidant, protecting tissues from the damage that leads to chronic disease. A landmark 2023 study published in the prestigious journal Science discovered that taurine levels significantly decline with age in mice, monkeys, and humans, and that supplementing with it extended the healthy lifespan of mice by over 10%. The researchers found that this remarkable amino acid suppressed cellular senescence, the zombie cell state, protected against DNA damage, and improved the function of mitochondria. While your body can produce some taurine, the primary sources are animal products like meat, fish, and dairy, making it a particularly important nutrient for those on plant-based diets to be mindful of. Longevity. Nutrient number 3. While not technically a vitamin, choline is an essential vitamin-like nutrient that is absolutely critical for optimal health. Yet it's estimated that around 90% of the population doesn't consume enough of it. Choline is a cornerstone for brain health, as it is a precursor to acetylcholine, a key neurotransmitter responsible for memory, mood, and muscle control. It is also vital for liver function, helping to transport fat out of the liver to prevent the buildup that leads to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Furthermore, choline is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your cell membranes and plays a significant role in early brain development during pregnancy. A 2022 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher maternal choline intake during the 3rd trimester was associated with better information processing speeds in infants, highlighting its profound impact on cognitive development. The richest dietary sources of this crucial nutrient are egg yolks and beef liver, with smaller amounts found in soybeans, chicken, and fish. Prioritizing choline is a non-negotiable step for protecting your brain and liver throughout your entire life. Longevity. Nutrient number 4. Often called the king of carotenoids, astaxanthin is a vibrant red-pink pigment found in microalgae, salmon, shrimp, and krill, and it is one of the most powerful antioxidants ever discovered. What sets astaxanthin apart is its unique molecular structure, which allows it to span the entire cell membrane, offering protection to both the water-soluble and fat-soluble parts of the cell from oxidative stress. This potent antioxidant capacity makes it incredibly beneficial for skin health, as it can help protect against UV-induced damage and improve skin elasticity and moisture. A 2018 randomized controlled trial published in the journal Nutrients demonstrated that supplementation with astaxanthin improved skin texture and reduced the appearance of wrinkles. Beyond the skin, its anti-inflammatory properties are profound, helping to combat systemic inflammation that contributes to numerous chronic diseases. Astaxanthin has also been shown to support eye health by crossing the blood-retinal barrier and protecting against light-induced damage, and it can enhance athletic performance by improving endurance and reducing muscle damage. This remarkable pigment provides a comprehensive defense system for your cells. Longevity. Nutrient number 5. When we talk about eye health, most people think of vitamin A or carrots, but the real power players for protecting your vision are two specific carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin. Found in extremely high concentrations in the macula of the human eye, zeaxanthin acts as a primary filter of high-energy blue light, the most damaging wavelength of visible light that we are exposed to from the sun and digital screens. By absorbing this harmful light, it protects the delicate photoreceptor cells in the retina from oxidative damage. This crucial function helps to significantly reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, two of the leading causes of blindness in older adults. A major 2013 follow-up to the age-related eye disease study, sponsored by the National Eye Institute, found that supplementing with lutein and zeaxanthin substantially lowered the risk of progression to advanced macular degeneration. You can find this vision-protecting nutrient in dark leafy greens like kale and spinach, as well as in brightly colored foods like egg yolks and bell peppers. Consuming these foods is like putting internal sunglasses on to shield your eyes from within. Longevity nutrient number 6. Betaine, also known as trimethylglycine, or TMG, is a fascinating and underrated compound that plays a vital role in numerous physiological processes. Primarily, betaine functions as a methyl donor, which is a critically important job in the body. Methylation is a fundamental biochemical process required for everything from DNA repair and gene expression to detoxification and neurotransmitter synthesis. One of its most important roles is helping to convert the potentially dangerous amino acid homocysteine into the beneficial amino acid methionine. High levels of homocysteine are a well-established risk factor for cardiovascular disease, and as a 2022 meta-analysis in the journal Nutrition and Metabolism confirmed, betaine supplementation is highly effective at lowering these harmful levels. Additionally, betaine acts as an osmolyte, helping to protect cells from environmental stress by maintaining their hydration and structural integrity. This property is particularly beneficial for physical performance, as it can help delay fatigue and improve power output during exercise. You can find this versatile nutrient naturally in foods like beets, where it was first discovered, spinach, dairy, and eggs. Longevity. Nutrient number 7. Boron is a trace mineral that is often completely absent from conversations about health, yet emerging research suggests it plays a surprisingly influential role in our bodies. While not yet classified as essential for humans, boron has been shown to have a significant impact on bone health and hormone regulation. It appears to be vital for the metabolism of key bone-building nutrients, including calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D. By extending the half-life of vitamin D and estrogen, boron can help reduce the loss of calcium and magnesium in the urine, thereby supporting bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. A pivotal 2020 review in the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine and Biology summarized the extensive evidence showing that boron intake is crucial for bone maintenance and regeneration. Furthermore, this powerful mineral has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties and may even support brain function. You can find boron in a variety of plant-based foods, with some of the richest sources being avocados, raisins, prunes, and nuts, making it a simple yet powerful addition for supporting your skeletal and hormonal systems. In conclusion, true vitality often lies beyond the well-known vitamins and minerals that dominate health conversations. These powerful, lesser-known nutrients offer a sophisticated layer of cellular protection and specialized benefits. Incorporating these bioactive compounds into your diet provides targeted support for your brain, eyes, and overall longevity. This expanded nutritional awareness is a crucial step toward achieving a truly resilient state of health. Watch this video suggestion. It was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.